Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Stash Dayz full guide. Start by clearing a dedicated table and sorting items into categories for quick access. Prioritize safety, cleanliness, and proper labeling so you can find things fast. Use sturdy containers, airtight bags, and clear labels to protect contents and track dates. Finish by noting what to reorder and make a checklist to repeat the process each month for stress-free upkeep. Focus on efficient packing to keep your stash organized and safe. Choose airtight containers and desiccants to prevent moisture and preserve quality. Portion items into daily or weekly kits so you only open what you need, reducing exposure and waste. Clearly label each package with the date and contents to track freshness. Keep a running inventory sheet so you know when to reorder and avoid last-minute shortages. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping. It even scoots under counters so you can focus on prepping stash days. I find it saves time and keeps floors tidy while I organize supplies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Good storage and safety habits protect your stash and household. Select a cool, dark area away from heat and sunlight to slow degradation. Always lock or place items out of reach of children and pets to avoid accidents. Inspect containers monthly for damage, leaks, or unusual odors, and discard compromised items safely. Maintain a simple inventory and emergency contact plan so you can manage issues calmly and responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.